Imagine a world where contaminated water is no longer a threat to our health, where a simple, natural solution can make a difference. Our study on the use of sphagnum peat moss as a biological treatment for water highlights several benefits. It is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and provides a sustainable solution for reducing E. coli contamination. The main problem we face today is the increasing contamination of water sources with harmful bacteria such as E. coli. This not only poses health risk, but also affects the overall quality of life for many communities. Introducing PeatDaMoss, an innovative product developed from the natural antimicrobial properties and acidic nature of sphagnum peat moss. PeatDaMoss works by creating an environment that inhibits the growth of E. coli bacteria. The moss releases acids that reduces the pH level of water, significantly reducing bacterial contamination.
Using PeatDaMoss is quite tricky yet fulfilling. It begins with a collection of materials including sphagnum peat moss and river water as the source of E. coli contaminated water. Pumice stones were also gathered to serve as a physical filter. The sphagnum peat moss is cleaned and ground into smaller pieces. A filtration setup is assembled with a layer of pumice stones at the bottom to remove large particles before biological treatment occurs. The experiment is divided into 4 groups: Group A with 1 to 10 ratio, Group B with 2 to 20 ratio, Group C with 3 to 30 ratio, and Group D, the control group, which contains contaminated water with E. coli but no treatment. Each group consists of 3 replicates, making a total of 12 experimental setups. To begin the treatment process, E. coli contaminated river water is poured into each filtration setup, allowing the water to pass through the medium. The filtered water is then collected for analysis. Several water quality parameters are tested, including E. coli count, pH levels, and turbidity, to determine the effectiveness of each sphagnum peat moss to reduce E. coli.
Our test results demonstrate the effectiveness of PeatDaMoss. In controlled studies, we observe a decrease in the pH level of the contaminated water, creating a more acidic environment that inhibits the growth of E. coli. This indicates that sphagnum peat moss is effective in reducing E. coli contamination. PeatDaMoss is more than just a product. It's a commitment to healthier, safer communities. By harnessing the power of nature, we offer a sustainable solution to a critical problem. With PeatDaMoss, you can have peace of mind knowing your water is biologically treated and safe to use. Protect your loved ones and make a positive impact on the environment. Experience the power of nature with PeatDaMoss. Join the movement towards cleaner, healthier water.